urgent, watch this video because it will save you your money, stress and time. Watch how to get your tax identification number using just your phone without going to their office. This is mine, I got it myself. My name is Jovita Ome, and before we start, let me quickly explain why TIN is important. A TIN is your official tax number. It helps the government identify taxpayers. It's required for things like business registration, opening a business account, high-value transactions, government applications, and some banking updates. This does not mean your account will suddenly be closed if you don't have TIN, but it's smart to get it done now so you are ready. There are two different ways to get your TIN as an individual. Number one is the JTB mobile app. Number two is the JTB/FIRS official website. If the app doesn't work on your phone, watch till the end so you see the second method. Let's start with the JTB app. If you can't find the app on your phone, make sure you watch till the end so you can use the second method to get your TIN. After downloading the app, open it. You will see this non-individual TIN, individual TIN, nearest tax offices, message board, tax authority contacts, important tax dates and others. If you want business TIN, you can click non-individual TIN. I am not doing business, so I clicked on individual TIN registration. Next, it will bring out this form that says, please ensure the BVN details entered here corresponds exactly with your BVN slip. The first box, enter your correct BVN, no mistake. Next, enter your date of birth. Enter your first name. Please bring out your BVN slip and make sure to enter the same first name and surname exactly the way it's written there. Next, you check the last box. I am not a robot. It will bring out some pictures for you to verify. Then click on this search. It will bring out another form. On the next form, upload your passport. Your BVN is there already. Put your correct NIN. Select your title, Mr. or Doctor or Engineer. Your first name is there already. Type in your middle name. Your last name is there already. Select your gender, select your state of origin, your place of birth, your marital status. Next is your email address. Please, you must have email address. That's where they will send your TIN. After entering your email, next enter your country, your state, local government, city, street, house number, occupation, nationality, and phone number. After everything, you click submit. They will send you a mail after some time telling you that your request has been submitted successfully. They will also send you your request ID number. The next day, they sent me my tax identification number. This is it here. So, if everything is correct, your TIN will be generated instantly or emailed to you within minutes or hours. Okay, now a quick disclaimer. When I personally got my TIN, the JTB app was available and working well. However, recently, a lot of people have been telling me that they can't find the app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store anymore. So please, if you search for the app and you don't see it, don't panic. That's why I'm going to show you the second method, which is the website method. And this one works perfectly for everybody. I used it last week to get for some people. Before you move over to the second method, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you. The second method is the official website. If the app doesn't work on your phone, here is the second method. First, go to the official website, which is https://jtb.gov.ng/apply-for-tin/. Once you search it, the page will load and take you to this interface. You will see these options: register or verify TIN, how to apply for TIN. Under this section, you will see three options. The first one is individuals. This is for people who want to apply for an individual TIN. Click on the blue word here. The second one is non-individuals. This is for people doing business or registering a company. If you fall into this category, click on the blue word here below it. The third one is verified TIN. This is for people who want to check if they already have an existing TIN. Click on the blue word here if that is what you want. For this video, I want an individual TIN, so I will scroll up under individuals and click here. It will load for some time and take you to the first form interface. You will see this message. Please ensure the BVN details entered here correspond exactly with your BVN slip. The first box is BVN. Please enter your correct BVN. Next is date of birth. Enter your date of birth. Next is first name. Enter your first name exactly as it appears on your BVN slip. Next is last name, which is your surname. After filling the details, tick the small box below to confirm that you are not a robot. It will load and bring out pictures for you to select. Complete the verification. After verifying, it will bring you back to the form. Click search. It will load for some time and show validated. Click next to continue. After clicking next, it will take you to the second form. You will see TIN request individual. Upload your passport photograph. Click on the blue choose file. You can select from your photo library, take a photo or choose from files. I already have mine on my phone, so I selected photo library. Your BVN will already be filled because you entered it in the first form. Next is NIN. Please enter your correct NIN, no mistakes. Next is title. Click the drop-down menu and select your title, either doctor, engineer, honorable, or anyone that applies to you. Your first name will already be there. Enter your middle name. Your last name will already be there. Select your gender, either male or female. Select your state of origin. Your date of birth will already be filled. Enter your place of birth. Select your marital status. Next is email address. Please make sure you enter a correct and active email address because that is where your TIN will be sent to. Next, select your country. Enter your state of residence, that's where you live. Enter your local government. Enter your city or town. Enter your street name and house number. Select your occupation from the drop-down menu. Enter your nationality. Lastly, enter your phone number 1 and phone number 2. After filling everything, cross-check all your details very well to be sure there is no mistake. Then click submit. It will load for some time and show TIN submitted successfully together with your request ID number. Click close. Now keep checking your email. That is where they will send your TIN. For this particular application, a confirmation email was sent first, and after about 3 days, the TIN certificate was delivered to the email. This method may take a little longer depending on the verification, but it works. If you want to confirm your TIN after registering, simply go to the JTB portal and click Verify TIN. Enter your phone number or NIN and it will show your correct TIN. TIN registration is 100% free. Just use the correct details as they appear on your BVN and NIN. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.